Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to unlock iPhone 11 Pro Max on the latest ISO 26.5.2. And first of all, you need to buy the unlocking file from us. If you are interested in our unlocking file, you can WhatsApp me or Telegram me on this number. We are available on WhatsApp and Telegram. After buying the unlocking file, just need to import the unlocking file to the 3D tool and start flashing. It will take like 5 to 10 minutes depending on your iPhone model, and your iPhone will be unlocked. So I am using 11 Pro Max for unlocking iCloud account. So it will roughly take like 5 to 10 minutes. So I have already fast forwarded the video so I can easily guide you step by step. This method is working with all iPad model and all iPhone model. For example, this method is working with iPhone 11 Pro Max, iPhone 12 Pro Max, iPhone 13 Pro Max, iPhone 14 Pro Max, iPhone 15 Pro Max, iPhone 16 Pro Max, and iPhone 17 Pro Max. Congratulations, device activation successful. You can also see in a 3D tool iPhone 11 Pro Max and ISO 26.5.2, and our phone is turned on. Now you can unplug your phone if you want. Swipe up, select language. For the first time your phone will be little bit laggy. After 5 to 10 minutes it will be alright. So our phone is turned on and iPhone is unlocked. You can enter the SIM card, call data, everything will work fine. Also you can use data and calling service. You can go to Journal, About, and click ISO. This is 26.5.2. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.